Trouble aligning the workpiece. Finding the right angle. Could cause delays and waste time. Order the perfect add-on for your machines now, the SHS Universal Mirror. Installation is completed in 3 simple steps. Attach the arm with the magnets on the side of the machine. Slide the mirror arm over the end of the retaining bar and tighten the screw. Adjust the mirror for a comfortable view of the rear. Strong magnets keep the mirror in place. Further adjustment options require only the loosening of 2 screws. Now you can see at a glance in the mirror whether the workpiece is correctly aligned. The result is optimal crimping. Thanks to the magnet system, the SHS Universal Mirror can be attached to all Uniflex machines in almost any position.